Go. Yeah, crack. You will be the one to punch. You will be the one to punch. 1, 2, okay. You will be the one to punch. 3. High block. High block. And punch. Change shot karate. Ayan. Left hand. Left and punch. Balik. Ulit. Check distance. Boys, tingnan mo yung mga kasama mo ha. You should be sitting down, not like them. Ha? Para mas magulo kayo kaysa ng mga maliliit. Ha, boys? Sit down, boys. Ethan, parang ikaw mas magulo kay Ethan kaysa mga maliliit. Okay lang yung mga toddler. Sa inyong grupo, dapat makinig kayo. Check distance. Attack position mo. 1, 2, yan. Baro, chair. Shumen. Okay, palakpak. That's it. Boys, inyo na diba? Up, boys.